Welcome to RV Industries. I'm Sean. Today we're going to introduce the MC355 low-profile 15-ton class scaler. This particular machine is 88 inches high, or 2.18 meters. It is 86 inches wide, or 2.24 meters, and a length of 240 inches, or 6.2 meters. This vehicle is highly maneuverable and compact. We chose a non-articulated design in a four-wheel steering configuration. In two-wheel configuration is a turning radius of 60 feet, and in a four-wheel steering configuration it is reduced to 32 feet. The engine is a Cummins QSB 4.5 liter, 160 horsepower configuration, and this was particularly designed in a 50+ centigrade underground mining conditions. At the rear of the cab we have the rear outriggers, and we have a storage area for the radio remote option. We have the main battery disconnect as well as the main battery. We have the engine air cleaner here, and a duplicate of that we utilize for the cab air conditioning system. We have the main fuse panel as well as the air conditioning system mounted at the rear of the vehicle. The cab is a fully enclosed air-conditioned and pressurized cab. It is ROPS FOPS protected, and you can see the numerous guards guarding the windows from falling debris as the operator is scaling. It is elevated to increase the viewing of the operator when tramming as well as scaling. The door opens approximately 100 degrees, and that allows the operator to enter into the cab, and he has full control when he sits in the seat of joysticks to operate the machine. The majority of the operation of the scaler is controlled through these joysticks. We also have a very detailed dashboard, and the dash contains all the controls to operate the vehicle. The vehicle is CAN bus controlled, and through that we use CAN bus switches. And what's nice about the features in this scaler is that we color code all the controls. Blue is neutral, green is when the switches are on. We use yellow as a caution and red as a warning. We have a steering wheel mounted for control of the steering system and a gear shift mounted on the column. We have various gauges and instrumentation on the dash panel, as well as a display for the camera system. We have a right-sized tramming camera as well as rear backup. We have various gauges and displays for the engine vitals as well as the vehicle systems. We have some gauges for the service brake, the front and the rear, parking brake, as well as transmission clutch pressure. This is a 3-section, 25-foot or 7.85 meter boom, and at the end of the boom we have 3 different configurations for scaling attachments. One is a manual pick, we have a breaker, and we have a rotating cutting head as well. And you can see from the side of the machine we have adjustable wear pads, we have various guarding to deflect debris and to protect the machine's vitals. We have a lift cylinders, we have directional control valve, as well as turret mounts to eliminate the working surface. At the very front of the scaler we have the front-mounted outriggers, as well as the optional push blade. When we walk around the side of the machine, we're exposed to a concave mirror for backing up conditions, a side-mounted camera to allow the operator to view the right side of the machine when tramming. As we move rearward, we have the engine access panels. These are completely removable for full servicing of the engine transmission area. And underneath this panel here, we have our main fuse panel itself. We have an area, a hinged area for access to fuel filter, as well as the engine dipstick. At the rear of the machine, we have the rear outriggers, we have the rear tail lights, as well as 4-way flashers and backup lights. We have the rear-mounted fire suppression actuator, and we have the fire suppression system, including the bottles. When the breaker is selected, we have an optional water suppression system as well that would be mounted in this area. The rad is very big for 50+ degrees Celsius operation, and we have mounted within the shroud, we have a backup camera. We also have work lamps, rear work lamps, as well as a beacon mount and tow hooks, as well as the rear exhaust. That was an overview of the MC355 scaler. For more information, please visit Arva Industries at www.arvaindustries.com. Thank you very much.